Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. So in today's video I will be sharing about a problem that one of you has encountered. This person is asking why, when they only want to move one point on a detail, other positions also move automatically. It's getting a bit chaotic like this. And what they want is that when they move one point, only that point moves, meaning whichever point is moved. Only that one changes, not everything moving around automatically like this. So I will make a video and share it on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. And please subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Oh, and I know that you've already watched a lot of my sharing videos, but you still haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So please hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. And if you want to become a member of Dinh Duy Cuong's Innovative Technology Application Group, in this group there are many students and people who are passionate about designing on computers, who actively participate. Everyone can join this group. If you want to join this group, you can join the group. The link I have put the link below in the comment section of this video. So you just click on that link and join the group and I will approve your request. And in this group, I share both software, instructions on how to install the software, and a lot of knowledge about DAM design on computers. If you join, I will approve your request. And now I will share with you. If you want to jump to any score, you can get that score. Let me give you an example. Now, I will remove all the jump points. I will remove every one of these points. So I will right-click on this empty area and then click on Edit Point Info. And we will select the area around this detail. And you can see here there is something called grade rule. Here this is the Gerber version 17 and it has a lot of these grade rules, these size rule tables like this. So only version 17 has this feature, other versions do not. Other versions only have one row, so you will enter -1 for me. After that you click apply and then OK. Now, it has returned to the original base size, but it still shows these triangle points like this. That means the grade rule points or grade points have not been added to these positions yet. So when you grade, it will still automatically scatter everywhere. So now, if you want each point to grade exactly as intended, you will do the following. You will go into the grade section. You'll see here that there is a command called smooth grade. Then you look to the right and click on this checking option. On the top line here, you click on the top line, grade evenly. First, you'll see a small window pop up. Please go ahead and select the filter tab for me. From there, choose the option for all and then all line, meaning all of the lines. And then in the point section located just below, select the boundary option for me. That's the third line from the top. Got it? After that, left click on the empty area and drag to select the entire detail. Left click, release the mouse and drag to select the whole detail. Left click, so it recognizes all the points on this detail. Okay, then right click and choose OK. There you can see that all the triangle points have now turned into square points, meaning those points have had the grade point added, that is, they've been assigned a grading rule. Now when you grade, whichever point you select will be graded accordingly. Now you just grade as usual. Whichever point you select will be graded, everyone. Here, I'll demonstrate grading for you. There you go. So whichever point you grade, that's the one that gets graded. It no longer jumps around randomly or messes up like it did at the beginning. And we have the ability to completely control the positions elsewhere. Isn't that right? So that's something I really wanted to share with you today. I truly hope that if you watch this video, you'll be kind enough to hit the subscribe button for this channel to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next sharing videos.